Game keeps flagging the NVIDIA Texture Tools DLL as missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. While we cover the technical fix for NVIDIA Texture Tools, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the NVIDIA Texture Tools. It handles the compression and processing of high-performance texture formats, like BC7, DXT, used in 3D games. It is utilized by game developers and modders to optimize visual assets. If missing, texture editors and some game engines will fail to load or save 3D assets, citing Unsupported texture compression module. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. To properly restore NVIDIA Texture Tools DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NVIDIA Texture Tools, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the error persists after a restart, your graphics driver environment is likely corrupted. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, in safe mode to completely wipe the existing driver metadata. Once the system is clean, install the latest driver suite from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to restore the healthy version of your DLL file. Why are we doing this? Well, overwritten driver files often leave ghost metadata that blocks new installations. A DDU wipe ensures a clean environment where the driver can properly register its DLL components. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please use caution. Replacing NVIDIA Texture Tools DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing NVIDIA Texture Tools library references. Thank you for trusting us with NVIDIA Texture Tools Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.